guys, it's me, FoggyLamp395, and today I'll be unboxing Cornpy from Itemlabel.com. And this is what he looks like in the face. And ketchup and mustard. And the pink little feet. So there's this tag. And here's the back. And let's open them. Oh, and here is Cornpy. So here's the little ears and the tag. And here's the back of the tag. It says Itemlabel. And there's the tag. And mustard and ketchup. And here's the little pink little feet. And the little tail. And that's about all I have to show for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!